Hi kids, welcome to my channel Kids Quest, educational channel. So let's get started, the video.
Yay! Hi everyone! Welcome to Kids Quest. I'm so excited to have you here today. Let me take you on a quick tour of what this channel is all about. Kids Quest is an educational channel designed just for you. Whether you're a student, a parent, or someone who loves learning, you're in the right place. Here on Kids Quest, we'll explore new vocabulary that will help you speak and write better English. But that's just the beginning. We'll also dive into important life skills that you can use every day. We'll practice communication skills that will give you the confidence to talk to anyone, whether it's at school, at home, or in new situations. And of course, we'll work on improving your English in a way that's both educational and fun. From basic grammar to tricky idioms, and even how to write essays or give speeches, we've got it all covered. Kids Quest is all about making learning enjoyable and easy to understand. And the best part? You get to help shape the content. If there's something specific you want to learn, just leave a comment, and I'll make sure to include it in future videos. So, if you're ready to join this amazing journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss a new video and can keep learning with us every day. Thank you so much for being part of Kids Quest. Together, we're going to explore, learn, and grow one video at a time. Let's get started.
Hey kids, thanks for tuning into Kids Quest. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome adventures. See you next time.